Hey everyone, today I will show you how to do Block Blast glitch, the ultimate Block Blast glitch to 10x your points. Now a disclaimer, this video is only for educational and entertainment purposes only. Keep in mind that these glitches may be patched in future updates. First up is the infinite move glitch. Some players have found that by quickly tapping multiple blocks in rapid succession, the game sometimes doesn't register every move, letting you get extra moves without using any additional steps. Here's how you can do that. Select the moves you want, but instead of tapping one block at a time, try tapping multiple blocks in quick succession. This might allow you to bypass some moves and get extra ones, though it's inconsistent and could be patched later. Another glitch is undo move trick. If you make a mistake, you can use the undo move trick. Here's how you can do that. As soon as you make a wrong move, immediately close the app before the game has any chance to autosave and reopen it. And your last move may be undone, letting you try again. But note that this may not work on all devices or game versions, but it's a worthy try. Next, there's a scoring boost when you use a timing trick with your moves. During high score opportunities, try holding down on the blocks slightly before releasing to potentially get a point multiplier. Some users report spikes in points with this timing, so give it a shot. Follow these steps whenever you are near a high score to maximize your points. With these techniques, you will have a shot at boosting your score up to 10 times. And that's it for the Block Blast glitch tutorial. Remember, glitches can be patched, so enjoy them while they last. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.